How to access the log chat on WhatsApp is pretty simple actually. All you need to do is go to the WhatsApp app. If you don't have a WhatsApp application, just download it. It's pretty simple. It's available on Play Store or App Store, whatever you use, Android or iPhone. Now you have to navigate to the main screen where chats are displayed. Now you'll have to scroll up or down to locate the log chat section. After a little swipe up, you can see the logged chat option where you can see simply the log chats. Click on that. Now you'll prompted to authenticate, like, is this you or something else? So you have to give your fingerprint or face recognition or pin something. It totally depends on what mobile you are using and what security method the mobile is using, so it's totally fine. After prompting and authenticating, you'll be able to access all the chats that you logged. Now you can simply enjoy the chatting or access all the chat applications that you want to use. So this was how you can chat, access on privately on the WhatsApp without so much step-by-step guide, and I'll see you in the next one.